In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two websites into one in Wix. By the end, you'll know how to bring pages from one site into another using the Wix editor while keeping things organized and consistent. First, open the destination site in the Wix editor. This is the site you ultimately want to continue using. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right site by checking the site name at the top of the editor. If you're managing multiple sites, it helps to decide in advance which design, colors, and apps you plan to keep so the combined site feels cohesive. Next, click Menus and Pages on the left side of the editor. This panel lists every page currently in the site, including hidden pages. If you don't see what you need at first glance, scroll through the list or look for folders that group pages together. It's a good idea to note which pages are system pages like home or dynamic content so you can plan where they'll live once everything's together. In the Menus and Pages panel, click the three dots labeled More Actions and choose Copy Pages. You can select one page or multiple pages before copying. This action places the selected pages on your cross-site clipboard so they're ready to move. Keep in mind that the page layout and content will transfer, but certain elements tied to apps like stores, blogs, or members areas may need to be re-added or reconnected later. If a page uses a specific font, color, theme, or global element, it will inherit the styles of the site you paste into, so minor adjustments afterward are normal. Now, open your second site in the Wix editor and paste the pages. You'll use the paste option inside the same Menus and Pages panel, and the copied pages will appear in the page list. If you realize you copied from the wrong site, don't worry. Simply repeat the copy from the other site and paste where you want the pages to live. After the paste, review the navigation, drag pages to reorder, place them under folders if needed, and choose whether pages should show in the menu or remain hidden. Before you finish, preview the site to confirm that links, buttons, and anchors still point to the right places. Check your homepage settings so visitors land on the correct page. For SEO, verify page titles, descriptions, and URL slugs to avoid duplicates or conflicts. Finally, make sure the design looks consistent across all pages, adjust fonts, colors, and headers as needed, then publish when you're satisfied. That's it, you've combined two sites into one using copy pages in the Wix editor.